Good morning, everybody. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. My name is Sylvia. I'm the Crafty Old Lady, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm working on week 8 of Marguerite Miller's Collage Challenge. We need a pattern or texture that looks like wood, and I have 2 scraps of this paper that is like a wood fence with some flowers on it. It's going to go kind of like that. The next one, something that makes noise, an image of a face or a portrait, and a page from a children's book are all this adorable little baby. And I think you probably all know that this came from a Little Golden Book. So that's going to take care of 3 of the prompts. And the last one, which is the menu. We need a menu. I have this portion of a menu. I was also thinking about maybe like using this portion here because it would be kind of prettier, or even just like this portion. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this portion. That would be prettier than this in the middle of it, wouldn't it? Let's do that. I live in a kind of a small city, so I don't really want to put the name of my restaurant up on the internet. So if we can put this in the middle, that would be like that. Oh, that is really pretty. I think some of it's going to be covered up, but we can put the baby here. And then this is my something transparent or translucent. We're going to put the poor little baby in a bottle of perfume. So what do you think? Most of that's going to be covered. So I guess it really didn't matter, but I am happy to not have the words from the menu on there. There. That's that. This is this. The baby. I could shorten the baby a little, and then more of that would be showing. Let's do that. There. And, I'll just cut a little bit off here. Okay. Oops. Alright, so put the baby here. And this on top of the baby. So that settles it. Maybe I want to actually... Do I want to cut off more so that it fits right in there? Yeah. Okay. I think that's cute. Alright, let's get to gluing, shall we? I have not put a new gluing page in here, and I've come to the conclusion that this book may not last me for 52 weeks because I've already repaired the spine, so we'll just have to see what happens. See if it starts getting to be where the spine is broken and breaking and beyond repair, then I will, I don't know, cut out the pages I've already done and somehow incorporate them into another journal. So anyway, we need glue. Yes, we do. We need glue. And I need a gluing paper, so let me get back with that. Alright, I've got my gluing paper. And I think I'm just going to glue it right on here like this. And I really actually have to put the piece of the menu down first. Hopefully I'm putting it in the right spot. Needs to go up slightly. I hope I did this right. There, that's good. Get my little spatula thingy. I don't know what, it's not a spatula. Oh yeah, I didn't glue under here. Okay, there we go. And a little bit over here. And some more down here. How are you all doing? We had super cold temps last night. Super wind. Horrible. It was horrible, but it was a beautiful sunny day. And it is a beautiful sunny day today. I don't know. It feels pretty cold, but I don't know how cold it actually is. And we're going to put this right here. And then our baby is going down. I'm also, I feel like I probably did not glue them on perfectly straight, but I need some glue over here. Okay, so today is Tuesday, and we have a meeting with Bethany, you know, just about how to best take care of her and her home and stuff like that. So we're going to be going to that, and then after that, we'll be taking her out for lunch or something, you know. Well, not lunch. I guess it would be dinner by then. Okay, so that's going to go like that. And I think that will be good. I'm going to have to cut the bottom of this off. But let's go ahead and glue her down. Her or him, I don't remember if it was a boy or a girl. Probably a boy, because this is the page I took it from, and this is the big boy when he grew up. He's so cute. I was going to use this, but I thought it would take up the whole page, so I decided to use the baby one. It's a little portrait of a sleeping baby. Okay, so wherever that is, that's going to go around it like this. These are notorious about getting them off the plastic. My daughter can do it. My other daughter, Bethany, or not Bethany, Rachel does it in one thing, but I never can. So I'm going to do this off camera, and I'll show you putting it on, but yeah, I can't get this off quickly. So move my light out of the way up there. So these things are full of static electricity, and it's hard to get them not to stick to everything. But there we go, baby in a bottle. And just cut this bottom off. Yeah, I normally have only ever used these stickers. I have a whole bag of them. There's all different ones. I've only used them with dried flowers, but isn't that cute? Can you see them? Here, maybe you can see them that way. There's like a jar. Here's another, like another perfume type bottle. I probably should put these on colored paper for you to see them better. But anyways, there's this one. I don't know if you can tell. Can you tell? Yeah. That's one. So anyway, there's a whole bunch of these. But when you start to place, like if you put your, I'm getting off on a tangent here, but if you put your dried flowers down on the paper and then you do this, they rise up and stick to it. And it's hard to get them to look, you know, exactly where you wanted them to be, even with glue on them. So now I'm going to round my edges, and we shall be done. Or I always say round my edges when I mean round my corners. So there we have it. Let's make sure we've got everything. Whoops. Texture that looks like natural wood. A wood grain. That was the suggestion. I have a wood grain. Something that makes noise as a baby. A menu is part of one, is under here. That was from this little menu that I have here. An image of a face right here. And this is also a page from a children's book. And then the little bottle is the transparent thing. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Check out other stuff on my channel if you feel so inclined. And also go check out my Ko-fi page. I did put up my free download from my ledger book, my doctor's I think it's like 1910 to 1918 or something like that. Ledger book from a nearby doctor that lived here. So that's kind of cool. It would be interesting if I could find like where he lived and all that stuff. But anyways, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.